Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a boomerang on Messenger. So boomerang is basically one of those repeating stories that you see on your friends pop-up where, I don't know, they stick your tongues out, wink or whatever, and it just repeats back and forwards, back and forwards. So to do that, you just need to open up your Messenger and click on the little camera icon on the top right here. Once you've done that, turn on your frontal or your normal camera, and right here you need to scroll right here to the right, unlike Beyonce's song, to the right, not to the left. So once you scroll there, you click on boomerang. Now what you just need to do is hold it, and you'll be having a really short time to do your boomerang, as you saw, because once you press on it, it will record, and as you can see, it just goes back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And from here you can choose who to see this, but most people just add it to their story and click OK. And now it's been added to our story both on Messenger and on Facebook, and we successfully created our boomerang. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, like and subscribe, and see you next time.